Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook and Eat with Nanu. Today I'm gonna be making Sri Lankan style eggplant curry. This recipe was requested by DS family in Staten Island. For my recipe you're gonna need 4 eggplants and you're gonna need a small piece of lemongrass. I just want to show you what a lemongrass looks like. You can buy this at any Asian or Sri Lankan store or Indian store. And these are the spices I will be using. I have 6 teaspoons of coconut powder in here, makes 1 cup. It gives that thick creamy flavor. I'm gonna be using this coconut powder to my eggplant curry. And I have salt here. I am going to be using corn oil to fry my eggplant. If you want, you can use coconut oil. I have coconut oil here also, but today I'm going to be using my corn oil. So I got 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, some curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 2 cardamoms and 2 cloves. And I have 2 teaspoons of salt here. And this is dry fish. Dry fish and eggplants go together in our curries. So I'm gonna be using this dry fish. It's cod. You can buy this dry fish at any Asian or Mexican or Sri Lankan store. So you're gonna need that and 4 Thai chilies. They are my favorite, so I'm gonna be using this. And I have 4 shallots I'm gonna be using in the curry. And if you want, you can use grey poupon instead of mustard and vinegar. That's up to you. I like mustard and vinegar together, but you can use this too. So let's get cooking. Now you cut your dry fish any size you like. These are the sizes I usually use. And the red chili, don't take it apart, you just split them in the middle. Just to get the flavor from it. And the red onions. So you need to marinate your eggplant with 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt. You can use 1 teaspoon actually. This will get the moisture out of the eggplant. Mix it well. And this you need to leave for 10 minutes to drain the water, and it's easy to fry that way. So let's leave it for 10 minutes. So you need to grind your mustard. Add your vinegar. And your sugar. Add about 4 cups of oil. You can use coconut oil if you want. You can check the temperature of the oil by dipping one piece in to see whether it's hot enough. Actually, it's hot enough. Let it fry on a medium to little high heat till golden brown. Keep stirring once in a while. So this is ready to take out. It's golden brown. This is the color you want. Look at that, it's beautiful. So I'm going to put the next batch in here. I'm going to fry my dry fish in here till golden brown. So looks like this is done. It's been 2 minutes. I'm gonna take it out. So it's been 2 minutes. This is the color I want. It's golden brown. Look at the color, it's nice. So I'm gonna fry my onions here too. Everything is out. I'm gonna put my chili and onions in here. I'm not gonna cook it till golden brown, maybe like a medium fry. after like a minute, I'm going to add my curry leaves and the garlic. It's ready. So I'm going to take it out. Add your coconut milk. This is how I make it. And add your fenugreek, black pepper, chili powder, your lemongrass and curry leaves, curry powder, turmeric, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Keep stirring, and you can add salt, half a teaspoon, and your dry fish that you fried. You can always add salt later because this dry fish has salt. So actually when it cooks, sometimes the salt from the dry fish goes to the curry. So make sure you don't add too much salt at the beginning. So looks like this is ready now. I'm gonna add my eggplant and onion and chilies, garlic, everything like that. This is the eggplant curry, how I make. Smells so good. Look at the color of it. It's really nice. This is a very delicious dish. So this is almost ready. You don't have to cook long. Mix it well. You can taste and see if you have enough, if it has enough salt. You can always add salt later, but if you put too much salt, you can take it out. So make sure you don't put too much salt. This is ready now. I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'm gonna add the mustard and sugar and the vinegar mix I did on that stone grind. So this curry is ready. Mix it well. Make sure you don't break the eggplant pieces. You know, if you do it hard, when you stir it, do it gently. This is ready now. It's done. So I'm gonna taste a little bit and see whether it has enough salt and how it is. It's really good. I hope you guys try this at home and enjoy. Thanks for joining me to cook today. This Sri Lankan style eggplant curry with dry fish. So I'm gonna try the eggplant curry I made with rice. Smells so good in here. And I'm gonna get some gravy. It's really good. It's delicious. Let me finish eating. Thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me to make this curry with me today. I hope you give thumbs up, and please do comment below my video, and please subscribe. Cook and eat with Nanu. Thank you. And I'm gonna finish this right now. It's good. Thank you.